In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. We're going to walk through a quick, reliable way to find Wix using Google and then rename a site from your Wix dashboard. This is perfect when you're organizing multiple projects, handing off work to a teammate, or simply standardizing your naming across accounts. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Wix and press Enter. You'll see the official Wix result near the top. Click through to open Wix. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your account dashboard. If you're not, sign in first so you can access your sites. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. The dashboard will show your sites in a list or as cards. Locate the site you want to update. On the site's card or in its row, look for the three-dot icon, often labeled as More Actions. You might see it in the top right corner of the site card, or it may appear when you hover over the site. Clicking this icon opens a compact menu with quick actions that relate to that specific site. From that menu, choose Rename Site. This option lets you change the site's internal name as it appears in your Wix dashboard. Renaming is mainly for organization and clarity. It does not change your custom domain, your published URL, or your live site content. Think of it as updating the label you and your team use to quickly recognize the project. It's a small change that can make a big difference when you're juggling multiple sites. You'll now see the current site name ready to edit. Click directly into that name to place your cursor. Type your new descriptive name, something concise and meaningful. Consider including the brand, location, or environment, like production, staging, or archive, so you can instantly tell sites apart at a glance. Avoid using special characters that might not be supported, and double-check for typos. Clear naming reduces confusion later. When you're happy with it, apply the change by pressing Enter or clicking outside the field. Wix typically updates the name immediately. If a confirmation prompt appears, follow it to finalize. Head back to your dashboard view to verify the new name appears correctly. If you manage a team, let collaborators know about the update so everyone stays aligned. That's all there is to it. Find Wix via Google, open the dashboard, use the three-dot menu, select Rename Site, and edit the site name. Keeping site names consistent is a simple habit that keeps your workspace tidy and your workflow smoother.